How do you pan fry rice paper pot stickers so that it can be super crispy, brown easily, and the oil wouldn't splatter everywhere?
Stay tuned for some awesome cooking tips. I'm sure you and your family will love it.
In a bowl, add the glass noodles and pour in the hot water. Soak for about 5 minutes until softened. Drain the glass noodles and cut into 2 inches long. In a pan over high heat, add the oil, carrot, snow peas, shiitake mushrooms, and garlic. Stir fry until aromatic and softened for about 2 minutes. To make the pot stickers super crispy, we cook the ingredients first, so the liquid would come out now and not later. Add the glass noodles. The glass noodles help to absorb the liquid in the filling. Add the vegetarian oyster sauce and white pepper. Mix well. Cool down for about 5 minutes. To make the dipping sauce, add the soy sauce, Chinkiang vinegar. You can also use other types of vinegar, and chili oil. In a bowl, pour inside the water and rice vinegar. You can also use white vinegar. Whisk. Vinegar helps with the browning of the rice paper while pan frying. Here we have some rice paper. Place a sheet of rice paper on a working surface. Lightly brush the water mixture on both sides until softened and not overly wet. The oil will splatter a lot when the rice paper has too much moisture on it. Place about a tablespoon of the filling in the bottom corner. Fold it up. Fold the 2 sides to the center. And fold it up all the way. Repeat with the rest. In a pan over medium heat, pour the oil inside. And sprinkle with a pinch of salt. Salt seasons the pot stickers. It also absorbs the moisture, so the oil won't splatter as much. Transfer the pot stickers to the pan. Pan fry until crispy. About 2 minutes on each side. And here are some more information on the rice paper. Rice paper is made with rice flour, tapioca starch, salt, and water, so it's gluten-free. A piece of rice paper has about 30 calories. This makes rice paper a lower calorie option. Happy cooking and enjoy!
This is super delicious. Very crispy, slightly chewy. The filling is amazing. You can just eat it the way it is without wrapping it. So tasty. I hope that you have enjoyed today's episode also. If you like it, subscribe, follow, and like. And I will see you again soon. Bye!